If you've ever spent way too long searching for the right Confluence page, or found yourself wondering whether notes means last week's meeting or the one from 6 months ago, this video is for you. Today I'll show you how to name your Atlassian Confluence pages more effectively, so you and your teammates can find exactly what you need exactly when you need it. By the end, you'll know not only how to create perfectly named pages, but also why each naming decision makes your workspace smarter and smoother to navigate. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about naming as if you're the person searching, not just writing. Whenever you create a page, ask yourself, what words would I type in the search bar to find this later? Even better, think about the terms your teammates would use. For example, you might be used to calling it QBR, but a new hire is searching for quarterly review. Aligning your page titles with the most obvious keywords helps Confluence's search do its job, making everyone's life easier. Now, don't fall into the classic trap of vague titles like meeting notes or draft. Instead, get specific. Try naming a page Project Phoenix Kickoff 2025-12-20 instead of just Kickoff Notes. Why does this matter? Specific titles save you a lot of confusion, especially when there are dozens of similarly named documents piling up. It's much faster to see at a glance which project, which type of meeting, and exactly when it happened. Next, let's standardize things a bit. Establishing naming conventions across your space or team can remove all the guesswork. Maybe you prefix with the department, like marketing Q2 planning, or use a pattern like project name page type date. If you work in a big organization, try hierarchical structures such as campaigns, social media, May 2024 launch plan. The goal here is consistency, so every page looks and feels familiar no matter who made it. This makes cross-referencing and onboarding so much easier. Speaking of consistency, dates and version numbers are your best friends, especially for ongoing documentation. Adding a timestamp in the format YYYYMMDD or clearly noting the version lets anyone track updates and refer to the right info at the right time. For instance, Release Notes V12-2024-0501 tells everyone exactly where they are. Clean URLs are more important than they sound. When you name your page, use just letters, numbers, or hyphens. Avoid adding special characters like plus signs, ampersands, or hashtags. Why? They can break links, create ugly or unpredictable URLs, or make sharing difficult. A page called Release Notes 202-40501 is far better for both human readers and Confluence itself. Now let's add a dash of personality and clarity with emojis. They might be small, but a rocket beside a launch plan or a memo for documentation makes it easier to scan and pick out the right page, especially in a list of similar titles. Just don't go overboard. 1 or 2 relevant emojis add just enough flair to be genuinely helpful. Page hierarchy is your hidden superpower. Think of your space like a file cabinet. Using parent and child pages or organizing around major topics allows anyone to walk through your Confluence just like they browse folders in their computer. For example, if all marketing content nests under one parent, you'll never misplace a crucial asset again. Lastly, don't depend only on titles. Confluence labels are perfect for detailed cross-referencing and advanced filtering. By tagging pages with strategic labels like 2024 planning or customer feedback, you create another layer of organization that makes filtering and sorting a breeze, especially in large spaces where content grows fast. If you follow these practical steps, you'll not only have tidier pages, but your whole team will benefit from a workspace that just feels more organized and intuitive. Naming matters more than you think. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your own naming tips in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart Confluence strategies and tutorials. See you in the next one.